Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see a new function which is date difference function, which is known as DATEDIF. So this function is used to calculate the number of years or number of days or number of months between two dates. So let's have, suppose, consider a date of birth. Suppose I will consider date of birth as like this. So this format of date here, see, this is like this. So if you want to change the formatting, you can go here like this. So this is 10th February 1990. Now we require to calculate age. We are supposed to calculate age. So write suppose now. So it will show us this is the today's date and time. And here you have to calculate the date difference. So write date diff is equal to date diff, then bracket open. So this is the date of birth, so D4, write comma, and today's date is in D5, so write comma D5, again give a comma, and we have to calculate the age. So I will calculate years, so write only Y in inverted commas and then close the bracket. So let's hit enter. So see, 1990 is the date of birth and today is 2023, so the age is 33. Similarly, if I write again same bracket open D4 comma D5, and if I require number of days from 10th February 1990 to today, so I will write in inverted comma as D. So the number of days are 12,133. If you have to calculate months from there 1990 to 2023 up to May, write in inverted comma M. So you will get this particular value of months. So in this way you can calculate like this. I will drag this formula here. I will write D4 D5 and I will show here day, and here I will show years like this. So if you can change, if you want to change suppose a particular date, suppose you require here 31 and you require here July, so it's 31st July, so all the remaining parameters gets changed. So in this way you can use the DATEDIF function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.